Hey, this seed spreader may not be working. Hey, this is John Young here with Weekend Handyman. We're looking at the little RYOBI. This is the little 18 plus or the 18 volt, the ONE Plus seed spreader. Give you the model number here. It is the P2402. Now, some people have been talking that this thing, the instructions are a little vague. And sometimes you're like, okay, so I open this up to where I want it to be. You know, if I want it to be pretty much full open, whatever I want to do, I have all these adjustments. We're going to go right to the 2. And then we have another adjustment up front here for the width right here. That's what these 2 adjustments basically do. This is the amount, the speed of the drop. This is how wide it is, and it just takes off a little bit on the corner here, and that's about it. Anyway, the problem is that people put the battery in, and I'm going to snap this in, one-handed, and then you pull the trigger, and you can see it's running, and it's going. But take a look at that little flap. I pull the trigger a little bit. It's running, but it's not doing anything. And it doesn't matter if I've got it on 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't do anything. Well, the problem is that if you don't pull the trigger far enough, that doesn't open. So now this time I'm going to fully pull the trigger. So I'm pulling it a little bit. And there it is. So what happens is that first the little motor starts to agitate whatever seeds you have in there. Then as you open it up, it opens farther. So let's see if this is, and that is number 5. Wide open setting. And of course, once it's going, you can see that that's going to be spreading. So you've got this nice size hopper here. And you've got to make sure that you have this set to wherever you want it to be. So if you want it to be like about half open, which would be roughly 3, and then you got to pull the trigger all the way. So you pull it a little bit, that turns the power on to the little agitator there. But then when you pull a little bit farther, you can feel that it's kind of a manual pull to open up that little hatch. So for those of you who've got one of these and you're like, it's not working, it probably is. You just maybe didn't pull the trigger all the way.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.